Hey everyone, it's Casey Neistat here, and listen, I'm all about that spontaneous jump on a plane with 30 minutes notice lifestyle, you know? But even I got to admit, having a solid packing list, game changer. Today we're diving into the ultimate travel packing list for any adventure. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the beach, or a bustling city, this list has got you covered. We're talking streamlined, efficient, and ready for anything. Let's do this. Alright, first things first, the holy trinity of travel, passport, wallet, phone. These bad boys are your lifeline, so treat them as such. We're talking Fort Knox levels of security here. Now, I always keep these three in a separate small bag that stays glued to me at all times. Think crossbody, fanny pack, whatever works for you. The key is easy access and peace of mind, and here's a pro tip. Take pictures of everything important. Passport, visa, driver's license, credit cards, the whole 9 yards. Store them in a secure cloud service, just in case. Trust me, it's better to have it and not need it than to be stuck in a foreign country wishing you did. Next up, the clothing conundrum. Packing for a trip can be a real headache, especially when you want to be prepared for every possible scenario. Now, I'm not going to lie, I used to be that guy who overpacked like crazy. I would bring way more than I needed just in case, but over the years I've learned that less is definitely more. The key is versatility. You don't need a ton of clothes, you just need the right ones. We're talking about clothes that can be mixed and matched, dressed up or down, you know the drill. This way you can create multiple outfits from just a few pieces. Think neutral colors, basic tees, a couple pairs of versatile pants, and a light jacket. These items can be the foundation of your travel wardrobe, and don't forget a good pair of socks. They might seem insignificant, but they can make a big difference in your comfort. Now, before you even think about stuffing that suitcase, check the weather forecast for your destination. This simple step can save you from packing unnecessary items. This will help you fine-tune your clothing choices and avoid any unnecessary baggage fees. No one wants to pay extra at the airport. Oh, and one more thing, pack for activities. Think about what you'll be doing and pack accordingly. If you're planning on hiking, bring some moisture-wicking clothes. These will keep you comfortable and dry. If you're hitting the beach, pack a swimsuit and a cover-up. You get the idea. Tailor your packing list to your activities and you'll be all set for a versatile and enjoyable trip. Let's talk shoes, people. Your feet are your transportation system when you travel, so don't skimp on the footwear. First and foremost, a good pair of walking shoes is non-negotiable. And I'm not talking about those clunky orthopedic monstrosities. There are plenty of stylish and comfortable options out there. Now, if you're planning on doing any hiking or outdoor activities, pack accordingly. Hiking boots, water shoes, whatever you need. And ladies, I haven't forgotten about you. I know you love your heels, but trust me, your feet will thank you for packing a pair of comfortable flats or sandals for everyday wear. Chapter 4. Toiletries freshen up your routine. Alright, let's talk toiletries. When you're on the go, having the right toiletries can make all the difference in your travel experience. Now, I'm all about that travel-sized life, but there are some things you just don't want to skimp on. Toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, the essentials, you know? And don't forget sunscreen. It's crucial to protect your skin from those harsh UV rays, especially if you're heading somewhere sunny. No one wants to look like a lobster on their vacation. Trust me, sunburns are not fun and can ruin your trip. Now, here's a little hack I've learned over the years. Invest in some reusable travel bottles. They're eco-friendly and super convenient. You can fill them up with your favorite products from home and avoid those pesky liquid restrictions at the airport. Plus, it saves you money in the long run. And one last thing, pack a small first aid kit, just a few bandages, some pain relievers, and maybe some antiseptic wipes, and maybe some motion sickness medication if you're prone to that sort of thing, as it's always better to be prepared for any minor mishaps. You never know when you might need it. A well-packed toiletry bag can be a lifesaver and keep you feeling fresh and ready for any adventure. Chapter 5. Travel documents. Stay organized, stay sane. Alright, let's talk about travel documents. Now, I know this might not be the most exciting part of packing, but trust me, it's important. First things first, make copies of everything. Your passport, visa, driver's license, flight itinerary, hotel reservations, the whole shebang. Keep one set of copies in your carry-on bag and another set in your checked luggage, just in case. Now, I like to keep all my important documents organized in In a waterproof document organizer, it keeps everything safe, dry, and easily accessible. And here's a pro tip: take screenshots of your flight and hotel confirmations on your phone. That way, even if you don't have Wi-Fi, you can still access your information. Chapter 6. Tech gear. Stay connected, stay charged. Alright, let's talk tech gear. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just heading out for a weekend getaway, having the right tech gear can make or break your trip. Now, I'm a bit of a tech geek, so I tend to pack a bit more than the average person. But even if you're not as tech-obsessed as I am, there are a few essentials you don't want to forget. First and foremost, your phone charger. I cannot stress this enough. Your phone is your lifeline when you're traveling. It's your map, your camera, your connection to the world. Imagine being stuck in a foreign city with a dead phone. Not fun, right? So, always pack your phone charger and maybe even a portable power bank for those long days out. I cannot stress this enough. Don't be that person who's begging strangers for a charger at the airport. Next up, your camera. Now, I know most people just use their phones for photos these days, but if you're serious about capturing those Instagram-worthy shots, a dedicated camera is the way to go. The quality and versatility of a good camera can't be beaten. And of course, don't forget your headphones. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or just trying to drown out the sound of crying babies on the plane, a good pair of headphones is a must-have. Noise-cancelling headphones can be a lifesaver, especially on long flights. They help you relax and enjoy your journey without any unwanted interruptions. So, to recap, make sure you have your phone charger, a good camera, and a reliable pair of headphones. These items will keep you connected, help you capture memories, and ensure a more enjoyable travel experience. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who wants to stay connected and entertained, these essentials are non-negotiable. Happy travels. A good pair of headphones is a must-have. Alright, let's talk health and safety. Now, I'm not saying you need to pack a full-on hazmat suit, but it's always better to be prepared, right? First and foremost, a basic first aid kit. Bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, the essentials. You can find these pre-made at most drugstores, or you can put together your own. Next up, any prescription medications you take, and make sure you have enough to last your entire trip, plus a few extra days just in case. And lastly, hand sanitizer. This is especially important when you're traveling, as you'll be exposed to all sorts of germs. Keep a small bottle in your bag and use it frequently. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite part of traveling: snacks. Now, I'm not saying you need to pack a whole suitcase full of food, but it's always good to have a few snacks on hand to tide you over between meals. Trail mix, granola bars, fruit snacks. These are all great options that are easy to pack and won't go bad quickly. And of course, don't forget to stay hydrated. Bring a reusable water bottle and fill it up whenever you get the chance. Alright, let's talk entertainment. Now, I know you're probably thinking, Casey, I'm going to be too busy exploring to even think about entertainment. And while that's definitely true for the most part, there will be times when you're stuck on a plane, train, or automobile with nothing to do. That's why it's always a good idea to pack a few things to keep yourself entertained. A book, a magazine, a deck of cards, a travel-sized game, whatever floats your boat. And of course, don't forget to download some movies or TV shows onto your phone or tablet before you leave. That way, you'll have something to watch, even if you don't have Wi-Fi. Alright, we're almost there. Just a few more things to pack and then you're good to go. These are the miscellaneous items that you might not think about, but trust me, they can make a big difference. First up, a travel pillow. I know, they're bulky and kind of embarrassing to carry around, but if you're planning on doing any long-haul flights, a travel pillow is a lifesaver. Next up, earplugs. These are essential for blocking out noise on planes, trains, and in hostels. And lastly, a power adapter. If you're traveling internationally, you'll need a power adapter to charge your electronics. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate travel packing list for any adventure. Remember, packing light is key. You don't need to bring your entire house with you. Just pack the essentials and leave some room for souvenirs. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.